but we're here for one ride only, Shivering Timbers.
We're in a road trip to ride roller coasters at 23 theme parks across North America. In the last video we were in Cedar Point, and now we're going to Michigan's adventure. Let's go!
So this is apparently like the Darien Lake of Cedar Fair. It's towards the bottom of their chain and we're basically here for one ride. We're heading straight to Shivering Timbers first.
We already saw it testing. It's a really nice looking coaster that you can see when you arrive at the park.
It looks impressive.
Oh, throughout the whole parking lot you just see that massive wooden coaster. It's amazing. It really gets you very excited.
So we've got our fast passes.
We just made it here to Shivering Timbers. The fast pass here is pretty good. Takes you up to the station.
Yeah, it was alright.
It's good. It's
I mean, it was a bit bouncy towards the bottom of the drops, I thought.
It's basically airtime, then then helix, and that's it.
Yeah, so it's like an out and back layout. We knew what we were going in for. It delivered what it was meant to do.
Yeah, good air times. It's fun. It's like a fun wooden coaster that I could re-ride later. We're gonna do the rest of the park. I want to get more rides on it later.
Yeah.
But it's not like an amazing wooden coaster, but it's a good one.
Is it worth travelling 4 hours for? To me it was.
It's always good to know new parks, to go on new rides, especially when you have the Cedar Fair annual pass. It's good to make it worth it and visit as much parks as we can. And it's not that far, it's only a 4-hour drive, so to me it's not much. Now we're gonna do the other wooden coaster,
which is literally just opposite. I've come into this park not knowing an awful lot. I've known Shivering Timbers is meant to be quite good, so I don't know much about everything else here. I did not know the first stop had GCI Titan track on it. So Titan Track, in case you don't know, is the company Great Coasters International is replacing parts of the track with steel to make it smoother. But in my opinion, it takes away from what the wooden roller coaster is, and it makes it too smooth, and you just feel nothing, and it has nothing to it. I absolutely hate it. So experiencing that first stop, I was like really disappointed. But then later on, you can tell that other parts were retracked because it had a different colour wood, and it just felt so much more fun. The second it got back onto wood, off the Titan track, it became a lot better, and the retracking sections I thought were really good fun.
It wasn't on train ops, Shivering Timbers wasn't too. But the problem is, on both of them, there was no one organizing the queues. There is a massive queue for both of them, and people are not filling every row. Because there's no one to organize the queue, we constantly see the train going with empty rows, which is really annoying. Like to see a big queue with the train going empty.
One good thing that I do like here at the two coasters we've done so far is they've got bins at the other side of the station, so you can take your bags right up to the station with you, which is great.
Yeah, so far we didn't have to pay for lockers like in all the other Cedar Fair parks. We're just walking out on this platform. They have this big lake in the middle of the park. I think it looks quite nice. Today is obviously like a very nice day. It's very nice to see the coasters around the water. Wooden coasters looks amazing, so the fact that they have these wooden coasters here make it like a great view. This wooden coaster next to the lake, I think it looks really good.
I think it's a tale of two sides. So the wooden coaster, even the SLC, they've got a pirate ship. It's all looking really good. The other side has got like a water park, and it's just like a concrete wall that separates them. So that's looking not so good.
The road mouse has beans as well.
Yes, no lockers today.
Oh, I can't believe it. That's so good. I love Michigan's Adventure.
I mean, it's going up the rankings because
it's my favorite Cedar Fair park now. I can't believe I don't need to pay for a locker.
Yes, we just saved $12.
I know. It's incredible. I love it. I never experienced a wild mouse that is so smooth and painful at the same time.
Welcome to the world of Arrow. This was an Arrow wild mouse, which is quite a rare model. Arrow coasters aren't known to be smooth, but their wild mouses are definitely a lot smoother than Max. It has weird banking, like really smooth banking. It feels like a little bit RMC-ish, the banking on the wild mouse, or like an El Loco model.
For the dining plan, the first one, we asked an ice cream on this place here.
Munchies.
It's really good. We were going to do Corkscrew now, but realized that it's not on the fast pass.
So we're going to come back a bit later. We're going to get everything that's done on the fast pass first. then hopefully the queue would have dropped down.
The queue is not bad, but the problem is it's gonna take a while. It's on one train. And like we said, everything here, they're just running with empty trains. On the Wild Mouse was ridiculous. Every train on the Wild Mouse was for 4 people, and they were only putting people of the same group. So on our train, it was only the 2 of us. The train in front of us, only 2 as well. It's ridiculous. Like, they're running the train half empty just because they're not putting groups together. Like, why? In a massive queue.
We're going to go to little wooden coaster now, Satsuma. So
Third wooden coaster of the day.
One train.
One thing that is good on this park, every fast pass that we had took us directly to the station. So at least this is being helping a lot. But this is on one train as well, so.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Mark was in pain.
They're so bad on your knees. I'm not that tall, but I'm smashing my knees against the front. Every drop, oh, it's so scary.
Yeah, I was alright.
It's just like I don't know, just like a little kiddie's wooden coaster.
It's like on the Snoopy area, so it's like on the kiddie area of the park.
In the Camp Snoopy area now, it looks quite nice actually.
Yeah, it does.
Really, really well done.
Yeah, I quite like some of the team that they have here. They have a kiddie coaster here in the Snoopy area. Yay! +1! Exciting! This one is not on the fast pass as well.
It's not on the fast pass.
But we're just gonna queue it.
Are we actually?
Because we want the credit.
1 + 1, 1 + 1, 1 + 1.
+1! Yay!
Yeah, it was just, kiddie coaster.
Here on this bridge, they have this sky coaster. It's really cool the way they have it here over this bridge, because while you're crossing, you can see people flying over you.
It is a really cool location.
I think it's one of the best I've seen on a theme park. We're arriving on the SLC now.
It's incredibly well painted. It looks fresh.
Looks really nice. To get to the SLC, it's kind of like in a dead end, and you need to take the whole walk around the park. So you need to walk all around the lake, pass through the water park to then get to the SLC.
Yeah, the location is a little bit strange.
Although it is like a dead end, the park is not incredibly small, but it's also not that big as well. So it's quite easy to walk around everywhere. And then after the SLC, which is called the Thunderhawk, there is the Rapids and Adventure Falls, which is the other water ride.
$6 to get dry. People are looking drenched around this area.
So another activity that they have here, they have this swan boats. They're included in the price, which I think is quite cool. It's nice seeing the swans boat on the lake. They consider this as a thrill level, like, too. What? I don't get it.
It depends how fast you pedal.
I don't think anyone could possibly pedal that fast.
Trying to find a drink at the moment. It's very hard getting drinks.
Yeah, they don't have much drinking stations here. They have a water park right in the middle of the park, which is really funny. On one side you have some coasters, some water rides, then you have the rest of the park and the water park in the middle.
Gabby, excited for the SLC?
I'm ready. I can.
Let's go on the SLC. The freshly painted SLC. It's running really fast. I thought it was running fast. For an SLC, bit of headbanging, as expected. It wasn't the worst one, definitely not the worst one.
Not the best one as well.
It had best restraints on it, it'll be running
Yeah,
so good.
exactly. I don't like the restraints. I think they're not great for headbanging. But it's alright, the SLC.
Yep, 1 + 1.
1 + 1, 1 + 1, 1 + 1.
The whole water ride's just been just like a concrete slab. I mean, the station building looks ridiculously ugly. This looks so ugly.
These rapids here, they look incredibly nice. The water looks so clean, and they have all the rock work on the side, all the trees, and the water going on like these little rocks. It looks really nice.
At this back area, we've just seen that there's a train that can take you directly to Shivering Timbers. So it might be a good time to get a train credit.
We said before how this is like in a dead end, then you can walk all the way around the park to get here. Turns out you can get a train as well. So we're just gonna get the train back.
convenient. Train stops there, fast pass entrance for Shivering Timbers.
That's amazing. And here we were complaining about having to walk all around the park. Yes, I'm very happy with that.
Tour guide top tip, get the train.
The train on the other side will get you right by the fast pass entrance of the SLC as well. This side is better than the other one, by the way.
I feel like we should do back row again because we did back row last time and we should see if it's warm up. That should be our plan. Right, we did a back row again so we can compare to earlier if it's warmed up.
Yeah, I did. It's not one of my favorite wooden coasters, but it's alright.
Yeah, it's good. It's not elite, it's not top tier, but it's not bottom tier. I would say it's above middle tier as well. So it is a really good wooden coaster.
So we were just doing this flat ride here, Thunderbolt. It's fun.
Yeah, it was alright. There's no queue, it's worth just jumping on.
Some of the flat rides are included on the fast pass, like the Scrambler. This wasn't, but like Marcus said, it was a walk-on, so it's easy.
So we just jumped on.
Oh, that's the other flat ride I wanted to do. It seems like it's not even open.
And it's on fast pass.
Tilt-a-Whirl. I have trouble saying his name. It's kind of like this fairground flat ride. I love them. They have some on this park. Yeah, we're gonna skip the Scrambler. It's just too slow. I've never seen a Scrambler going that slow. Every time we're passing by, I saw it going really slow, so I always assumed it was either stopping or starting. Then I was here for the whole cycle and nope, slow the whole way around. If you have any drinking plan, here on this park, this is the only place that we found that has the
Freestyle machine.
Yeah, the freestyle machine. So you can find other places that have the normal refills, but this one is right by Shivering Timbers that has the whole machine with a lot of options.
Always great fun making your own invention.
Yeah, I love those machines. It's not good.
It's not. Is it good?
No.
Want to look at the main shop? Or the
Oh
Shivering
yeah, let's try the
Shivering Timbers
shop.
shop. We haven't looked at the shops today.
Yeah.
I almost sold one today and then they were like,
Yeah. What is this? I don't like the line. Here, behind this tree, there is a log flume, but it's not working today. Right, we did Corkscrew, so Park zeroed for us.
Yeah, got all the credits, which is great, but Corkscrew does not really do anything.
Oh, it's terrible, isn't it? It's just pointless. It's just you leave the station, you go on a lift hill, then you do the corkscrews, and that's it, back to the station.
See, when I was going through the corkscrews, I was thinking they were quite smooth, and then right at the very end of the last corkscrew, I just banged my neck on the side. I'm going to go on the Ferris wheel now, get a view of the park one last time.
We're doing the Ferris wheel now, and
Probably not worth it.
yeah, it has some good views of the park, but everything. Oh, is it? We're doing a third lap.
Yeah, now we're good, doing like the speed, like whoa.
Holy shit! How many laps is this going? This is like the fourth time. We're gonna be trapped here forever. The park's closing in 20 minutes.
We still need to get food.
Yeah. All right. 5 laps now. I'm sure eventually we're gonna get out of here. Oh, there you go. They're stopping to unload people. This is what we got for our second dining plan. We chose the burger and mac and cheese. It's quite a big pot of mac and cheese.
Yeah, it is. It's decent.
This was our day here in Michigan's Adventure.
Yeah, I actually had a really good day.
I really enjoyed my day. More
There's-
than I was expecting.
So the park shuts at 4, which
Incredibly
is really bad.
early. Oh my god. Today was so busy.
Yeah, it's crazy today it's shutting at 4 p.m. because it was a really busy day. We're lucky we had the fast passes, but if we didn't, we would have struggled, I think, to get what we had in.
So we did every coaster in the park, one flat ride and the Ferris wheel, and that's it. And the train. And then we got one meal that we sit down and eat incredibly fast now, and an ice cream that we ate to another ride. So that's it, and we still haven't managed to do everything. So we haven't been on the water rides, we haven't been on any of the other flat rides, and like we said, we had fast passes. So for people that don't have fast pass today here,
4 p.m. is way too quiet.
no,
Way
they
too
didn't have
soon.
time to do everything probably. And the fast pass system, I think it works really well. So every single coaster, every single ride that we've been with fast passes, the fast pass leads right in the station. So yesterday we were in Cedar Point and we were complaining about how much they have rides that the merge from the fast pass and the regular queue is too early. So you still need to queue a long time before getting to the station. So this is a positive point for this park. But the problem was operations, like we said. Except for Shivering Timbers, everything was in one train.
Presentation of the park was really nice. I really liked the way it looked.
Really nice.
So the lake in the middle I thought was really good, and the train connecting to the two sides I thought was a really nice way to sort of loop all the way around.
All the rides were freshly painted with nice colors, so it looks really nice. Obviously the day today helped as well, good weather. We were comparing this when we arrived with Six Flags Darien Lake.
This is a lot nicer than Darien Lake.
Nicer than Darien Lake, and I feel like it is my least favorite park from Cedar Fair, but when you compare like to Six Flags, it is better. It lacks a standout attraction for me. If Shivering Timbers is not enough to say like, oh, this is worth coming back again. I'm glad I came here. I really enjoyed my day, but I wouldn't come back here again just to
It'll
ride
be a long
anything.
time before I come back. It will need at least 2 new major attractions to get me back.
Well, one major attraction, depending on what it is, might bring me back. But anyway, it's worth coming here if you've never been here before.
Yep, I had a great time, and I'm really glad we came. And now, need to get a drive down to Indiana.
So that was our day at Michigan's Adventure. Tomorrow we're heading to Indiana Beach. Make sure to subscribe to check that vlog next.